Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan and this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary Nerf blasters and show you how you can do it too. Today we're going to show you how to build your very own portable Nerf Target for under $20 using things you would find at your local hardware store or just lying around your garage. But before we do that, if you like what you see in this channel, just click the icon in the lower right hand corner and subscribe. Let's do this. Alright everybody, we're going to be building a from scratch Nerf Target that we're going to be using at our trade show at MakerFest 2018 using some simple PVC pipe. And we have here 5 3-foot lengths and 4 2-foot lengths that we cut with our chop saw. We have 2 tees and 6 elbows. That's pretty much it, and we're going to fit this together to make our framework for our Nerf Target.
Alright, so we've got the basic structure done here, and what we're gonna do now is take some landscaping barrier or weed barrier, and we're gonna make a ramp from the top to the bottom. We're gonna loop it around the top and bottom and attach it with some duct tape.
Okay, so we got all the fabric cut out. What we decided to do over here is to take the fabric and just loop it straight over the top, actually, like a tent, and then anchor the pieces on both ends of the base rather than just doing one side. That way is we can make our cuts, as we're going to show you next, for the target pieces and leave the back solid as kind of that stopper on the backing when it goes through the target, and then it kind of stops them, and then everything will drop underneath here. So then you can simply pick up the target and collect your darts. So that's what we're going to do next, is we're going to loop these around the base and secure them with duct tape. And once that's secure, we can just leave it like that, because we can disassemble at the elbows and take everything apart and then just slide the rod through and then back in when we reassemble it for use later on. So we're going to do that next.
Alright, so here we have it all done. We've got the landscaping stretched over and taped, and now we're going to be working on the targets. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 smaller targets in the 4 corners. We're going to take orange duct tape and do orange squares here, and then we're going to cut a U shape in there so it kind of flaps back, so that when the darts hit the landscaping, it'll just drop down, or it'll hit that and kind of slow the dart down before it hits the back, so all the darts collect in the middle. And then we're gonna do the big target right in the middle. We're gonna do another larger square for an easier target.
Alright, so we have the final finished product here. This is our target, the portable Nerf Target, and I went ahead and made those cuts. So we again, we used the orange duct tape here to square off all of our target spots in the 5 dice formation, and then I just took my utility knife and made a U cut inside of those squares, and then just let it lower in for a catch flap. And I got hiding back here my Nerf. Let's see here, I'll just pop one of them in. I've got the our Star Wars Nerf Biker Scout Blaster, and if you haven't seen how we made that, just click the card here and check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop a dart in to show you guys how this can work. Pop it in, take a shot at it. Boom, it goes through the flap and then it hits the back, and then it's caught inside and catches all the darts in there. And then we got more of the more challenging targets there in the corner. So yeah, it turned out great. And again, this is a build that's about under $20. So you can go to the hardware store, get your PVC pipe, get pretty much everything you see here at the hardware store. PVC pipe, the landscape fabric, duct tape, even the utility knives and scissors. If you don't have any, chances are you do. And then put everything together and make the cuts, and voila, you're all set to have some Nerfing fun.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to build your very own portable Nerf target for under $20. It would be a huge help to us if you guys click the thumbs up like icon and also left a positive comment below on this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Also click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. I'm Chandler, and this is Damaged Darts.